Each day the sun rises. It bathes us in fresh and brilliant light. One of my many curiosities of life is about the veiled influences of these celestial bodies. Many cultures not so long ago were able to track planetary movements with great precision. Somehow, they found ways to work with natural rhythms instead of dominating the landscapes like today. From the macrocosmic world above to the microcosmic world below, this place is full of mystery. We should explore its lands with respect and learn to observe rhythms and patterns. I recently learned about biodynamic principles as structured by Rudolf Steiner, a man with several gifts and burdens. Many practices have sprouted from his work, but what is the basic idea of biodynamical processes? The moon, an ancient companion. It is our nearest and greatest influence. If you don't believe in celestial effects, then you don't believe in tides, and that's okay. I'm not selling answers in a box, just patterns and rhythms. Every couple of days, the moon passes through one of 12 constellations: Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and back to Pisces. The same order repeats itself indefinitely. Each sign relates to specific elementals: fire, earth, air, water, fire, earth, air, water, the procession of the constellations. The moon enters into each sign in this order, opening or closing the doors to specific effects. We begin this journey at zero, nothing and everything, total chaos, total potential. Before any transformation between elements can occur, all substance must enter that realm, the invisible, unlimited potential of divine expression. We begin in earth, the skin covering our flesh, the nourishing ground, a stable home. We move to air, the corpse of light, our involuntary breath, our connection. The mysterious combination of memory and gravity, newness and solve. And fire, the potential of warmth, destruction, and creation. Earth signs, fire signs, air signs, and water signs, and of course, the moon and the sun. It appears that every couple of days the moon follows a distinctive and predictable path like this, and the sun follows suit. It takes the moon roughly 28 days to do what the sun does in 1 year. They both cross an invisible plane, either rising above or going below it. These are called the equinoxes. When the sun or moon is at its highest or lowest point in the sky, this is called the solstice. There are also strong connections between the planets: Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, and the Sun. In fire, warmth is a potential. It is fruiting and seeding time. Birds, mildew, bees collect nectar. Hydrogen, the outer planets, rot, pests, and the heart, all expressions of fire elements. In air, light is a potential. It is flowering time. Bees collect pollen, and increase the colony. A good time to cut flowers, extract oils, sow and tend the lands. In water, tone is a potential. Do not work with bees, they are making honey. They are so fragile and requesting our support. Wetness and water moving in vortices are strong. Stems and leaves are greatly affected. Watch as water evaporates from salt. Water holds memory. If you've ever had a chance to carefully observe a freshwater crystal, you know the uniqueness of water. Sap slows and coagula reigns. In earth, life has a potential. Bees build comb. Foundations are established. The realm of carbon, roots, coldness, and stability. When I record what I feel throughout the passing days, I can reflect upon them and use this insightful guide to benefit this macro and microcosmically reacting realm. I can learn to utilize these and other techniques to build spiral gardens, providing microclimates for diverse herbs and microorganisms. By knowing when the moon is in a certain constellation, I can either sow, harvest, transplant, cut flowers, or prune with increased bioavailability, maximizing natural rhythms and tides.